tell from the title, I am attempting a BLACKPINK's Jisoo's inspired makeup look from her How You Like That teaser images. Since I already have my base makeup on, I'm going to start with brows. Using this Anastasia brow pencil, I'm just simply filling out my brows and following my natural brow shape. Jisoo's brows are a little curved, so be careful not to create too sharp of an arch. Using the spoolie brush at the end, I'm just brushing out the brows so it's a little softer. Then I'm just priming with this Too Faced Shadow Insurance to prep my eyelids for eyeshadow. I'm going to be using my Colourpop Bare Necessities palette, and the first color I'm using is On Holiday. With a blending brush, I'm just applying this all over the lids as a base and also to give a little bit of dimension. Using an angled eyeshadow brush, I'm putting this color in the buff, which is a matte beige color, above my crease and underneath the eyebrows to give a little bit of highlight and blending. Moving on to the color Banter. This is a matte brown color that I'm applying towards the lash line and the lower half of the eyelid. For this look, I want to make sure that this color is staying within the crease, so when you open your eyes, you should just see a little bit of it above the crease line. With a pencil brush and the same matte brown color, I'm just applying this to the outer half of the lower lash line. Then I'm adding a little bit of shimmer with Idol Hour. It's a shimmery champagne color and I'm just using my ring finger to pat this on. For the eyeliner, I'm of course using my Moteliner in black, just lining my lids and then wing it out very slightly. The wing should be quite straight from your eyes and not flicking upwards or downwards. It looks like I'm flicking it a little upwards, but that's because of how my eye shape is. When I open my eyes, it's more straight than upwards. So depending on how your eyes are, just draw a kind of straight horizontal eyeline. I think I have rounder eyes than Jisoo, so I'm also going to fill out a little bit of the outer V so that the liner is thicker in that area. This is going to help me have a longer and more slender shaped eye. Using an angled liner brush, I'm picking up this dark brown color called Baubles and just applying the shadow over my eyeliner on the top of it, so it will blend out the harsh line and also create a little bit of a smoky eyeline look. Using my trusty Etude House Bling Bling eye stick, I'm adding this glittery champagne color to the first half of my lower lash line to give it a little bit of a sparkle and brighten up the area. And I'm just curling my top and bottom lashes because Jisoo has quite defined bottom lashes in this look. So curl them and prepare for mascara. Using my Motemascara in volume 8, we're just applying this to the upper and lower lashes, focusing especially on the bottom lashes and bottom outer lashes. Now onto the point of this eye look. With a black liquid liner, I'm just creating a little dot inside of the tear duct area, and do the same to the other side and making sure that the two dots are equal. The next two dots are right above the eye crease, so open your eyes and just dot right in the middle of that little space right above the crease of the eye. Once I'm satisfied with my dots, I'm moving on to blush. Using the color Chantilly from the Sleek palette, I'm just putting it on the apples of my cheeks up towards my temples. Don't be afraid of applying a little too much blush because the rest of this makeup is so simple and plain that a little blush actually adds to the look. I absolutely love this Dior Addict lacquer stick in the color Club. I'm just applying this, focusing in the inner parts of the lips and then blending out the edges with my finger. To create a slight gradient lip look, I'm using this Chanel Rouge Allure ink in Choquant and applying it to the inner parts of my lips, blending it out. And we are done with this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. See you guys next time. Bye!